Zara से ऑनलाइन मंगाना without knowing your actual size and being a pear-shaped body, it's really difficult. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be sharing my favorite high-waisted jeans slash pants starting from rupees just 333. So get excited and let's get started. So when I say I only wear high-waisted jeans till December 2020, it only meant these skinny black denims. I used to wear these kind of jeans throughout, whether I'm going for a tuition, normal day out, to parties either. Just the top got fancier or decent, but the bottom remains, the type of bottom remains same. So now what I feel about these denims are, this is like a statement piece. You can either pair it with the most fanciest top ever or the basic tee. It will enhance your every look and will go with the style. So if you don't have anything to pair, just go with these because these won't go ever out of style, I feel. So as I said, I have only wear these kind of jeans throughout. So I have tried various brands and various designs, but this brand in specific, American Eagle, I got these jeans like 3 years back and this one haven't faded a bit because this is still brand new and the quality and all, it's top notch. This was for I guess $20, which is $1,400. The quality is really great and worth the price. The second pair is this faded high-waisted straight pants. These are like quite in trend, and as I'm a pear-shaped body, this fits my body really well and it enhances the overall look. So this one is from Zudio and the price is just 700 rupees. It's a really good deal, I must say, because recently I went to H&M and udhar I found same SI faded black. That was just wide leg and rubbed one, like the Zara pattern exactly. It was almost the replica of it. I wanted that in jet black, but that was in faded and I'm not really into faded jeans. This was like my very first pair of faded jeans because जो घर पे jeans है वो ऐसे ही fade हो जाती है, especially why you have to pay for a faded jeans. Leaving all that apart, udhar पे that jeans was like for 2300 and I was not ready to buy a faded jeans for 2300, so I just left it. I have a picture of it, I'll attach it here, but overall this Zudio one is a really good deal. So the next one is from H&M. It's the white high-waisted wide leg jeans. These are like really warm and overall fit and all, and the style overall, it's really amazing and full on summer vibes. Although we summer khatam hone ko aaya hai, but I'll definitely save it from next summer because high waisted is my type and it will never go out of trend for me. So this one is just for 1400, again a good price point. So the next one is the flared blue denims. These one are from Vera Moda. I really like this thing going on upar and then niche it's rubbed also. So overall I really like this blue denim. This one was to the costlier side. This was for around 3000. I don't exactly remember the price. I'll mention it on the screen if I'll remember in case. The size, okay, I haven't mentioned size for the previous jeans as well. I'll mention it on the screen, but this is in the size 29 and this fits me like a dream. So that was all about denims. When it comes to pants, we have to start with black and yours favorite, because I got many questions about where is these pants from. So these are from Myntra. This is black high-waisted wide leg pants. This one is from Myntra. The specific brand, it's Sarfraz. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'll keep it on the screen. This is in the size medium. Although this doesn't fit me well क्योंकि waist से ये काफ़ी loose है, but overall it looks good and fancy tops के साथ भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So this one was for around 600-700. And moving towards the another black pant, this one is the cheapest out of the lot. This is for just 333 rupees. Listening to the price, many of you know where this is from. Yes, this is from SSS. And this is the highest waist pant. Like this comes till here literally. You will see in the video clips. This is how it looks. This has this belt kind of thing and this overall looks really good, but this side of it, it's like quite loose, and it looks kind of weird if you don't carry it well, but overall it's really good. And I was really happy to have the highest waist pants because this is what we love. And this was in the size L, although M भी आ जाता था, but जो overall इसका flared वाला thing है वो change हो जाता था. Being a pear shaped body, if you know, you know. So moving towards the last piece. Before that, I feel everybody should have like a different statement piece in their wardrobe other than just the basic pieces. So 3-4 years back, I had these army pants. These are like a jogger pattern, and again these are from H&M and the size is UK 10. But I think I'm really bored of these army pattern right now. I need some variation or different colors in this type of joggers. So if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Although I got most of the stuff offline, so I don't really have the links, but I'll try and find and make sure to link them below. So do check out the description box. And that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you want any styling videos related to these bottoms, do let me know.